Welcome to the ultimate test of speed, precision, and craftsmanship. Where the stakes are high, the competition fierce, and only the fastest will rise to the top. The Super Screen Bowl has arrived. It's an epic showdown. The question is, who can screen the fastest? 6 contenders, 1 warehouse. Only 1 spot for the ultimate champion. The fastest time will score a spot in the Super Screen Bowl. But that's just the beginning. The winners of 2 races will go head-to-head for the final, and only one will emerge victorious. Will it be speed or skill that takes the crown? Let's meet the contenders. Jared, the speed demon of the warehouse. Jared's known for his lightning-fast hands and zero hesitation.
I don't just build screens, I also break records.
Brock, the dark horse. Brock may be underestimated, but his calm demeanor hides a competitive edge.
Like my grandpa always said, slow and steady wins the race.
Olivia, a force of nature. Olivia has built her reputation on brute force and speed.
It's not about being fast, it's about being the fastest.
Raul, precision meets power. Raul's methodical approach is built for the long game, but can he deliver under pressure?
No shortcuts, perfect screens, or nothing.
Leo, the rookie with a lot to prove. Leo's not afraid of competition. He's here to shake things up.
This is my chance. I'm going all in.
And last but not least, we have Quincy, who knows the ins and outs of every tool in this warehouse.
They better be ready to follow my lead.
So who can make it to the Super Screen Bowl? There's only one way to find out.